So, what are you thinking for tonight?
I don't know yet. Kind of open.
Yeah, same here. Didn't really plan anything.
That's nice though.
Right? We could just play it by ear.
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
Like, see how we feel later. See what's going on.
No rush, no set plan.
Exactly. If we're tired, we chill.
And if we feel like going out, we do that.
Yeah, I'm down for whatever.
Same. I'm game.
I like when it's loose like this. Feels easier.
Less thinking, more just going with it.
Right. And if something random pops up?
We just roll with it.
Yeah, no one's locked into anything.
That's usually how nights go anyway.
Yeah, plans change, moods change.
And that's fine.
You hear that phrase a lot here. Let's play it by ear.
Yeah, it just means we'll see.
Not really a yes, not really a no.
Just open.
Exactly. Keeps things flexible.
I like that kind of night.
So we'll check in later?
Yeah, figure it out then.
Cool. Hey, so, quick thing.
Yeah, what's up?
I was thinking maybe we don't do dinner right away.
Okay.
Like we could push it back a bit.
Yeah, that works.
I'm not totally sure how I'll feel by 7.
I get that.
Kind of one of those days.
Yeah, those happen.
So maybe we keep it loose.
Mm-hmm.
If we're hungry early, we go.
And if not, we wait.
Exactly. Just play it by ear.
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Is there any flexibility on your end?
Yeah, I'm pretty open.
Cool, that helps.
No pressure. We'll figure it out.
Maybe we grab coffee first or just walk around.
That actually sounds nice.
Right? Low-key.
Nothing locked in.
If something better pops up?
We switch.
Yeah, Americans do that a lot.
Plans here are pretty flexible.
No one really minds as long as you say it chill.
Right. It's all in how you say it.
Not canceling, just adjusting.
That's the vibe.
So, yeah, we'll check in later.
Sounds good.
All right. So, yeah.
Hmm.
I like not locking things in too hard.
Yeah, it's easier that way.
Less stress, less explaining.
Totally.
If plans change, they just change.
Right. No big story.
You just say, let's play it by ear.
And people get it.
Yeah, they really do.
It sounds casual, but it's clear.
Clear, but not heavy. Same with stuff like, I'm down for whatever.
Or I'm game.
It keeps things open.
And friendly.
No pressure, no promises you can't keep.
Just space to adjust.
That's kind of how plans work here.
Yeah, most of the time.
So if someone says it, they're not being rude.
They're just being flexible.
Exactly.
All right.
Yeah,